I just hit my mic. I'm sorry. I gotta try not to fucking... You shithead. You shithead. I'm in my house. Look at this double door. Doesn't have a waypoint. Oh my... Not gonna lie. Was almost very upset then. Don't do that's bullying. This is definitely not home. Oh no. Haha, I'm in the sky. There's no fucking creepers in the sky. Nah. I want an actual creeper to explode. Yeah, I'm playing. Oh my god, Snowball. Oh my god, it's chaos this time. God damn it! That's been played so much, it keeps scaring me. You're supposed to not look so I can take a photo of you. Stop it! Simami, what would I do without you? I swear to God. Simami! I feel betrayed.